If you want to stake your Cardano ADA on Yoroi Wallet, I'll show you a quick step-by-step. First, download and set up Yoroi Wallet on your PC or mobile. Make sure you back up your seed phrase safely, you don't want to lose access. Next, fund your wallet by sending ADA from an exchange or another wallet. Once you have ADA in Yoroi, go to the Delegation tab or the Staking tab. This is where you choose a staking pool. Look for pools with good performance and low fees, but don't stress too much, even small pools work fine. Select the pool and hit Delegate. Yoroi will ask for a confirmation, and that's it. Your ADA is now staked and earning rewards automatically. You don't need to leave it in for the pool if forever, you can redelegate or withdraw anytime. Finally, check your staking rewards regularly. Rewards are usually distributed every epoch, roughly every 5 days. Staking ADA is one of the safest ways to earn passive income in crypto, and Yoroi makes it super simple. Follow these steps and you're set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.